Can I trust you? I mean, it's okay. I'm naked. Don't have anything to lose.
So nice base.
Bang bang.
What the fuck?
Can you guys show us around? What yet?
So, what's your name? Huh?
Wat had dat even gezegd? Wat?
Johnny. So my friend here, she's the one with the big booty.
Yeah, and I'm black. I mean, that's good.
Wat kan ze veranderen? Wat zei er?
Chaotic.
Oh my god, there's so many people. Holy shit.
Hello.
Hey.
So, what are we gonna do?
Suck my dick.
Suck my dick.
Hey!
So mean.
My ladies.
The action was just going on, guys.
Thank you.
Fucking gay.
Who's gay?
He's homosexual.
You.
Me? No, I'm not gay. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I mean, like, I could be gay with my friend, but I guess you would like
every
it.
time.
Where are you from?
What do you think? Oh my god! Wieso wird ich...
What?
Ist schon leider drin?
No! Aw. She's coming back. Don't worry, she's coming back. Sie haben mich gekillt und neben mir ein Kollege auch.
Oha.
Ich will jetzt aber, du darfst gerne mit ihm reden und sagen, why did you kill my friend? I was coming in there.
Why did you kill my friend? She was innocent.
Oh, okay, das sind die
No,
jetzt
the
einfach.
shotgun trap killed her.
What?
Shotgun trap killed her.
I don't understand, but okay.
Oh, God.
Are you gonna be our slave? Hey,
Oh, you're a slave?
you want to be our slave? Yeah.
Do you want me to be your slave?
Yes.
Stroke a sex slave.
So,
Where,
what kind of
A
slave
sex
should I
slave.
be? A sex slave. You sure?
Oh, God.
You gonna just sit in our base and clear somewhere or something, and when we come back, you just gonna give us your.
Wait, I just have to sit in the base and like just be a sex slave and like hang around and...
You're gonna just sit on our bed or something. We're gonna give you.
Yeah, you can.
I don't understand him good. Like the mic's so...
Bye.
Oh! Gaan we weer erom?
Oh, is die killed? Oh,
De niet daar? Want niet dat hij de sex slave is?
I cheated it.
Hey. Hey.
Oh my god, you're not a woman.
Cool.
What the...
To be playing this game.
Oh my god, I'm 20! I'm a girl! Chill, chill, chill! I'm old enough!
What the fuck?
Oh my god! Oh my god, that's so fucking mean. That's so...
Wieso?
I don't ever say, you sound too young, and I'm like, I'm 20 and I'm a girl, I'm sorry. Can I help you? No? Okay. I just watch and learn, okay?
Okay.
Må så samer i plante.
For you.
I got you some nice seeds. Okay, I'm taking my seeds if you don't want to have my seeds.
Paul, little Paul Senpai.
Paul Senpai, I got you a present. Here, Paul Senpai. I made it with love for you.
What did you talk about that?
You couldn't.
Chaotic.
Paul Senpai, even if I don't understand you, you're my senpai. I made you something with love. Just wanna go and get it? No? It hurts me. Okay, I'm going away, but will you then take my present?
No, go away.
Paul Senpai, I made it for you. No! Senpai Paul! Oh! I got you another present, Senpai. Oh my god, don't shoot on me. You're wearing my shirt. Look, Paul. Paul Senpai, I got you something. A door. This one. And what do you need? Some bones.
This is mine.
And this one.
Hey, this is my thing.
You're welcome, Paul Senpai.
Okay, thank you, goodbye.
Goodbye, you're welcome, Paul. Paul Senpai. Goodbye. Friend, that was fucking mean. Show your damn face.
Please, someone pick me up.
Oh my god. Du läppst noch.
Shit, the stingless.
Hey!
No.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so unfriendly of you. You don't even say hello. That's so mean. That's so mean. Stop looting, my friend. You fucking kidding me? You fucking kidding me? That was in the bag. I didn't even see you, okay? That's not right. It's not right. You could help me now. No one's wanna help me? Are you all fucking kidding me? Hello.
Ooh, got a toilet hunch.
Knock knock. The delivery service is here.
For what? Your pizza you ordered.
Your
I'm
pizza?
your...
Kebab.
Hello?
Hello, I'm just a delivery guy. Girl.
guy, girl.
I'm sorry. A pizza, a kebab. What do you want?
Some spaghetti.
What do you want? Excuse me?
The sausage.
Oh, sausage. Chorizo.
Sausage.
Ah, yeah. I don't have a sausage, but spaghetti?
Spaghetti.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? You want some spaghetti?
Spaghetti med
Vilken?
schminkstick.
Som bolognese.
Oh, I only have carbonara.
Oh, fuck.
That
I
shit.
was gonna make that today.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm a pretty bad chef, but cook.
I'll
Whatever.
give you a tip anyways.
Yeah.
So, here you go.
Ik heb er zagen.
Oh,
Oh. And what do I do with the metal fragments?
Are you new to the game?
More or less.
Yeah, I'll teach you.
Don't run away from me. I'm friendly. Nice booty, by the way. Hello. Don't run away from me. I'm friendly. Schaut gerade zu mir am Sechsler, Rebbi.
jo, ich bin dran.
Nice.
Aber es geht noch lang.
Hey! Hey! Don't run away! Why are you running away? Ah! Hey! Oh my god!
Was ein Kind.
Ja, ich hab grad umgebracht.
Ach nö. Oh nein, da muss ich nicht kommen.